In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount to a bill in Clio Manage. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account and head to your main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Billing. This will take you to the billing area, where you can view and manage invoices and bills that have already been created. Next, open the bill you want to edit. Make sure you've selected the correct one before making any changes, especially if you're working with multiple client matters or several invoices at once. Once the bill is open, click Edit so you can modify its details. Now, you're ready to add the discount. If you want the discount to apply to the entire bill, go to the right side of the invoice and find the discount field. In this field, enter either the discount amount or the percentage you want to apply. This is the best option if you want to reduce the total invoice as a whole, rather than adjusting individual charges. If you only want to discount one specific charge or service on the bill, you can do that at the line item level instead. Find the item you want to adjust, then enter the discount value directly in the discount column for that row. This is useful when only certain services, expenses, or entries should be reduced, while the rest of the invoice stays the same. If needed, use the drop-down menu to choose the type of discount you want to apply. You can typically select either a percentage or a fixed amount, depending on how the adjustment should be calculated. Be careful to choose the correct option, since a percentage discount and a fixed discount can produce very different totals. After entering the discount, take a moment to review the updated invoice total. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that the discount has been applied correctly and that the final amount matches what you intended. If something looks off, double-check whether the discount was entered in the correct field and whether the right discount type was selected. Once everything looks correct, click Save Invoice to keep your changes. Saving ensures the updated bill reflects the discount exactly as entered. And that's it. You've successfully added a discount to a bill in Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.